Hi everyone, we're Group 6 to present our product with you guys today. Hope you will like it. So starting with group introduction, I'm Arjeet. I'll be presenting product business opportunity. My friend Hussein, who will be presenting product optimization, and Kuyan Lee, who will be presenting product design features, and Mohammad Al-Faki, who will be introducing and concluding the presentation for us.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. As part of Group 6, we're here to present our proposed business solution to address our designated problem definition. The effects of COVID-19 are indisputable, catastrophic, and will perpetuate for generations to come. A refined and remodeled safety protocol aimed at protecting those in high-density areas is our compelling problem statement, and our revolutionary disinfectant funnel will provide a reliable, inexpensive, and feasible solution.
Hello everyone, so I'm going to here is the images of disinfectant tunnels. We can find that the disinfectant can be splashed automatically when people walk across the tunnels. We focus on high efficiencies and less effects for all the space, so that the automated door is designed at this time. Here is the main features. We designed a semi-enclosed space to eliminate the coronavirus in all directions to ensure here is no live virus can be found on people's clothes and the surface of their belongings after leaving the exit. The products also focus on eliminating the virus on the different places to be employed. Here is the innovative of products. From the list, we can find that the designs of disinfectant tunnels all meets the primary innovative of products we focus on to ensure the customers can achieve friendly product designs for their requirements.
So here I'll be talking about the design optimization, going over the decisions we went through, and on the left we have what we originally decided, and on the right is what we are eventually going to be deciding on. So first off, we have the disinfectant using bleach plus water, and then we later found that that was irritant to humans, so we rather went with hydrogen peroxide plus silver ions, and silver ions is basically positively charged to prevent sticking to surfaces. As for the delivery, it used to be mist, and that mist would leave moisture on the surfaces that would need to be wiped down, but rather went with dry fog, and that is just a lot smaller, that it basically won't cause any moisture when it lands on surfaces. As for activation, it used to be piezoelectrics, which is chips that send an electrical current with pressure, but rather we would much decided on the commonly used and much cheaper motion sensors that are used today in sliding doors. So in the final design, just a rough estimation is we have the steel structure which we decided steel over aluminium as it was cheaper, and then there would be that tarp over it that would either be made with plastic or perhaps another waterproof material. And then we would have the fogging machine directed on top using pipes to have it go through both the left and the right side, and that'll be connected to a big tank of the hydrogen peroxide plus silver ions mixture. We are thinking of ways on increasing the size of the container to prevent waste, but again, it needs to be a reasonable size for transportation as well. Finally, for the activation, it would be using an optical sensor on the top, similar to the sliding doors. As for the dimensions, we believe 3 meters is high enough for most people. As for the depth of 4 meters, that'll give people 3 seconds of disinfectant time as they pass through in walking speed.
So with product business opportunity, we have business plan overview, potential market, product features, market and opportunity, and lastly, we'll talk about the financials. So our business plan is to generate revenue through large-scale sales, and we'll be achieving it because the cheapest alternative in the market costs around
$2,500,
while our product, being better than theirs, will cost around only
$1,500.
And how is our product better? We'll talk about it later. So talking about the potential market, the market for disinfectant tunnels is estimated to increase with a CAGR value of 12.3%, and among all the top manufacturers around the globe, DIFCO could attain a 4 to 5% of the market, because disinfectant tunnels could be used anywhere to limit the spread of the virus. To identify the uniqueness in our products, we'll first observe the existing alternatives in the market. The existing disinfectant tunnels makes use of a bleach and water mixture to sanitize people's clothes, but direct exposure to such mixture could contain harm for humans. But we have decided to use silver hydrogen peroxide in our product because it's believed to be long-lasting and safe sanitizer. Also, the tunnel will be made out of aluminum, not existing product like steel, which would again help us to reduce the cost because aluminium is cheaper than stainless steel. Moving on to the market and business opportunity. The market and opportunity for us is real. We have assessed it based on 4 criteria. Number 1 being market need. We have an enormous market size with need and preparation to buy. Second criteria is our product real, and with clear product concept and knowledge to use available resources and existing processes, we guarantee that our product is real. Third, success of our product. With competitive pricing and strong technical control to ensure performance of the product, we guarantee that our product will be successful. Fourth being competitiveness. Our product is updated and well resourced than the alternative products in the market, so it will definitely have an advantage over our competitors. Moving on to financials, as I said earlier, the existing cheapest alternative costs around $2,500, while ours will only cost $1,500. Moreover, the fixed cost, which includes the design engineer cost and manufacturer setup cost, is estimated to be $38,596, and the variable cost per unit is only $1,200. For the break-even analysis, we have estimated to break even at around 3 months, selling 129 units and generating sales of $193,500.
In summation, the disinfectant funnel is a revolutionary device that will prove to be fundamental in this worldwide battle against this pandemic. Gayan, Hassan, Ariji, as well as myself, have addressed the key aspects of this proposed solution, and we can certainly say this product is a success beyond doubt. Thank you for listening.
That'll be all for today. Thank you so much everyone for listening to us, and if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer.